Hi guys! Today we are going to blur a video in Canva. First, open the Canva app and wait for the home screen to load. You'll see different categories and design options on your screen. From there, tap on the video option to start creating a video project. This will take you to the video templates section where you can choose your format. Now you'll see different types of video formats like magic video, mobile video, and others. Since we are editing for mobile, go ahead and tap on mobile video. This will open a blank video canvas according to mobile size, which makes editing much easier and properly aligned. Once the editing screen opens, look at the bottom of the screen where different options are available. Tap on the camera or gallery option to open your phone gallery. From there, select the video you want to blur and tap on Add Media to import it into Canva. In just a few seconds, your video will appear on the timeline. After your video is successfully imported, look at the bottom left side of the screen and tap on Elements. This section allows you to add graphics, overlays, and effects to your video. It might look a bit crowded at first, but don't worry, we'll quickly find what we need. Now, in the search bar inside Elements, type blur. You'll see different results like graphics, photos, and video effects. Some blur effects may be paid, especially if you don't have a Canva Pro subscription, so try to find a free one if needed. Once you select the blur effect, place it on top of the video timeline and adjust its size and duration according to the part you want to blur. After adjusting the blur exactly where you want it, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the download or share option there. Tap on it and export the video to your gallery. And that's it, your blurred video is now ready to use. So that's how you can easily blur any part of your video using Canva. It's a simple trick, but honestly, it makes your video look much more professional and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.